mountains, it's not just the size of the holy fire that worries firefighters. The speed and...
A lot of testing and things to find out whether something was wrong.
So that was the first time it happened, times again, yeah.
Yeah.
They didn't find anything wrong.
Yeah. And so...
And then it was 1990 when they came again, and I was probably conscious for 5 seconds before they put me out.
So you were awake,
Yeah.
and what happened?
They came in. I don't know where they came in. They were there so fast.
Where were you?
I was just laying down on my bed. I just came down to my bedroom. I just laid down. Just there. And
I have a lot of respect for myself. Fabulous things happen to me. I get free things. I get the best service. Do you think that every woman should be a bitch? Oh, yeah, definitely. I'm not sure. Yes, she is. I just want to have a place in life, and I want to be respected. I don't understand why they're proud of it.
On the next 50 days.
To look at how to irritate people at lunch. We can't, of course, hope to be comprehensive. It's on how to help people to become more neurotic. Now, purely for pleasure. One fundamental rule.
Exploding in the mountains, it's not just the size of the holy fire that worries firefighters. The speed and strength of these flames are the biggest threat. With new evacuations ordered, the inferno is just uphill from subdivisions in Riverside County. This, police say, the work of an arsonist. Investigators say this man, Forrest Clark, ignited the blaze. Just before his arrest, he spoke to a photographer. With a dozen large fires burning in California, the U.S. Forest Service says 90% of wildfires are human caused.